What is programming? Do you know that computer programming is already a fundamental part of your everyday lives? Let's see why I'm sure that you will greatly surprise. Every time you turn on your smartphone, laptop, tablets, smart TV or any other electronic device, you are running code that was planned, developed and written by developers. This code creates the final and interactive result that you can see on your screen. That is exactly what programming is all about. It is the process of writing code, solve a particular problem or to implement a particular task. Programming is what allows your computer to run the program you use every day and your smartphone to run the apps that you love. It is an essential part of our world as we know it. Whenever you check your calendar, attendance, virtual conference, video calls, browse the web or edit a document, you are using code that has been written by developers or coders. And what is code? Code is a sequence of instructions that a programmer writes to tell device like a computer what to do. The device cannot know by itself how to handle a particular situation or how to perform a task, so developers are in charge of analyzing the situation and writing explicit instruction to implement what is needed. To do this, they follow a particular syntax, a set of rules for writing the code. A developer or programmer or whatever coder is the person who analyzes a problem and implement a solution in a code. Sound amazing, right? It is very powerful and you can be part of this wonderful world by learning how to code. Let's see how.